ke lapile guys ke ne ke lapile hle ka mo ke sa batlong o alola ke robala ka hodima dikobo a ke batlo alola yo nna ke batlo alola o senhle a ke mfuni ko lula o ko ndlula a ke batlo ke robala ka hodima dikobo ke bophelo ba ka bo ke robala mo a totile be ke be nthena ka hodimo e bitswa fleet yeah ke robala ka ntwe lona le tsebo alola ke bo sebetsi o ngata jwa ye re ko ndlula a ke batlo alola ka pele ka kaofela yo guys good morning Monday motivation le sharp na ke batlo alola hle ke sa lapa maobane ka wana tloko bosong dingalambanga ndimo ke sa je di-peanuts na ana di-peanuts ka wana tloko hey ai gona ai sa tolwetsa sono ka runa wa tsela ai go just imagine ka wana tloko ja di-peanuts because of indlala ke lapile hai ane ke di trapa utlwa ke di hlafuna flat ke utlwa hore ke a di hlafuna hle re ne ke di hlafuna next di papadisi. So guys I bring here this Monday motivation topic ya ka today ke batla bua ka o change the strategy ne and mpotse ne ke di peanuts tsa teng ke di theolela ka glass ya selallo ke la ja di peanuts ka selallo ke itse glass nyana ya selallo mthendeleko kuta vele ke di theolela di peanuts tsena ke lapile a ke na babalasi a ke na babalasi a ke tawe mosna na ke na babalasi dube a ke tawe nna a ke le tawa but glass ya wine yona ke inka straight ke your ke inka without hesitating and I ke le tshabi mosna nna ke mereko 4 AM I was here yo guys are bueng he e reng babalasi November e reng babalasi yo dube yena dube le last week I sala etsa tjena ai dube ai wena na le bothata hle yo I am funi kondlula hle andifuni tu dilala phezu kwele bed inje dilala kuyo xa ngigqibile ndithatha ifleet andiyazi ibiza ifleece okanye ifleece yayingathi ifleece ndilale ngayo andondlula yo ukawubona ukila emakamera bethe urwa alula uEmimon ume apha emva kwebed umanu sithi la ngubo kuba yanintse yakwana iwela ufinyana ingubo imani sithi iwela kufitshane yo anantena nto noviki kupon rappel I'm not feeling well bothata ba ho ke ntle manana what is your problem manana guys are bueng he mapina oh my yo kwa jile hle ke wa theosetsa ka ntho ke theosetsa ka ntho ngwana se ka selallo ke rai dipina se le selallo le tla kopana emathuneng le tla kopana mona ke di betsa di le pedi self guys are bueng ka ntho ka most of us we are trying we at dintho and some of the things I did I just knock off 8 o'clock so what exhausted sure askis Florence askis man askis Miss Katlin I'm so tired askis guys ke re ntho most of us have learned something already so many things already try am be di sa loke Lebo ka moruti mara a hle ke itumetse o nneng ke araba taba ya Lebo every time ke dula ke botswa Lebo kae mara lona ke itumetse mara ho nene le mpotsa taba Lebo lona le mpotsa ka roti nna le Lebo ne re nyalane wa tswa ka nnete e ka re nna le Lebo ka re ne le lenyalo la white wedding ko re ka re le ile la bo malume ba ne ba le teng le bo ragadi le lona ne re le invite When you araba ntho Lebo we said nna le Lebo re taba tsa rona ha re sa hlola re di bua social media ha re sa hlola re bua anything ka rona social media we buile ntho gale ke explain and on a serious note guys le ka se dule le mpotsa ka Lebo because nna Lebo ke nnete we were not married ke mjolo ke mjolo so nka se dule ke araba taba Lebo So guys, ke kopa bua man, le undisturb. Ke skela mpotsa dipotso because now ke batla fela ke le motivated today. Obana na I'm trying kore okay ke ne ke batla bua ka hore when re le batho we are trying so much. We are trying re try the business, re try mesebetsi, re try we commit, re try ho ba le di partners. Re are try. But one of the things ke thutileng yana gore everything sometimes hadits tsamaye according to our plan. Most ya dintho tse re di etsang they don't go according to our plan. I've learned that. Ke bua pela ntate Modimo. So much things tse sa tsamayeng according to our plan. We are trying and then wabanana I had a vision. I'm going to make an example kanna. You know, I had a vision from the church. I had a vision, but let me tell you something. Even kereke money, still dintho di tsamaya the way ke ne ke batla ka teng. Coming to my personal life, dintho di tsamaya the way ke batlang ka teng. Azihambi ngendlela ndifuna ngayo. I'm trying, wabona. I'm trying so much hore ke etse dintho but and I don't think I'm the only person yeo dintho di sa tsamaye ka tsela. I'm not the only person le lona ndiyayazi ukuthi dinto tsa lona noba senizama izinto zambe ngalendlela enifuna ngayo enqabulang entseyisa ngaholo enqabula ngaholo ke into ya runa batho bana le di ideal partner go re tholo you have this ideal partner ne o batla motho ya solo and then I qetile ha hona mohlang o motho But when I need the plan, mutare, you know, I want this kind of when u plana lenyalo the kind of marriage o le batla gore wa tsba nna ke batla ho lenyala so ke phile so hey dintho tse di a hana zialo dibana wa bona I think into enqabulang like nna ne ke na le ke kopa le bontsha something ke kopa le bontsha something fela okay ho dakanyana mona because pula e hana no pula e batla e tlo na mari ka ro let me show you something. My aim was ne ke batla tlo etsa mona okay obana mo it's a entertainment room yaka a ke dule lo dula ka mona a ke dule next I ke tle ka mona a ke tle next but my aim was mona ne ke batla tlo etsa this place le botaleng ne ke batla tlo etsa obana pleke tsena tsa di coffee mona le di coffee mona le di dintho and just bizwa ntonto le bitsa ntho gore wa bana di hoteleng there's a place smart mo o gona matsepo le bitsa ma wa bana mo dulang di conflicts di in la bona my aim fridge ena ke sebedise, but this place ne ke ikemiseditse o tlo etsa nthuseng ne ke batle tlo etsa mo ke beyang di-cornflakes, di-coffee, the now my aim was every day I had this vision now every day ke batla mosadi wa ka ne ke batla mosadi a sa sebetseng ke re hoseng re tla be re tswa re apara di-morning shoes tse white, di-gown tse white, re tlo jela tafoleng ena. It was my aim. Ke batla le bontsha hore ha se lona fela guys ba plana ne. It was my aim hore re tlo dula tafoleng ena ne ke batla hore every day re tlo ja breakfast le partner ya ka, and ne ke na le that vision ya breakfast ya di hotel. I want to be breakfast in the hotel. I like that breakfast by the hotel whereby the body and I get right out whole breakfast station. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lena. So I wanted to have a breakfast station, and then kena le vision now re tlo nyala mosadi ya sa sebetseng, then hoseng utlotsuwa re breakfast re together. Al kena le plan ke apara re apere di-gown tse white nna le yena, then yena o tla ba tsoa a ya businessing le nna ke ya businessing ya ka somewhere re ya di-businessing. That was my plan ne. mpotse modimo ebile ke tloeletse breakfast station eno ba breakfast station eno ke ne ke itswe straight ndaiphuma. So ya batla ba hore you una need this ideal person man, una ke ne ke plan you guys ne ke bo plan ne bophelo baka gore ke bona nna le partner ya ka re tlo tswa sen rije ha monate, then if re na le bana then re tswa sen re ise bana sekolong kapa yena ise bana sekolong kapa nna ke ise bana sekolong. That was my plan. I bendi plan ile bantase ya o qetela I had this dine le plan agre ke na le mofuta mosadi e ke mo ratang, agre o mo le lona le na le bana ba le ba ratang ba bang le rata bana bana le di 6 pack jwale ka nna ke a tswa le rata bana bana le di 6 pack jwale ka nna. So re na le di ideal persons tsa rona ho bona, re na le batho ba rona gore ke na le di plan, and then ke plan no hore nna le motho a ka re tlabe re buy car re etsang ha ona le one. So mameleng here guys, reja breakfast in the family, your comfort zodwa. I'm telling you that it was my plan, and that was can I get rata ke plan le no re tla be reja breakfast, and now it's back re ke motho a dumelang hore we must sit re dule tafoleng kaofela as a family and eat together. Bana ba tsama le bana family eo ya batho ba dulang tafoleng kaofela ke mme ke bana ha ba rapela before bedtime ba zoja ba tshwarana ka matso, they pray together. I had that thing I had that thing over, and now can I this kind of a woman e ke mo imagine ke batla mosadi wa bona man ha ke tsemo describe ha ke tsemo describe, but don't get to guys everything the total ka fela di so etsala, all of them are di so etsala next from the church until honna. Thank you Precious, thank you Khaitidiaka, thank you so much Miss Katabol. So guys the total di so etsala all of them. So what I'm trying to say Kyuru, we are trying, we are planning, we are trying, we have visions ka di planets are on, But some of them, they don't materialize. Ideas are next. But today, ke batla go bua ka hore nna ke etsa eng. When se ke traile ho di plan ke se ke traile eng. The secret ya ka nna e one, I don't give up. The only thing e ke etsa is to change the strategy. Is to change the strategy, is to change, but not to give up for something. I cannot give up for something. I cannot give up. You know, one of the things most of the time, Satan or frustrate or I can sintakenare ha o nahana o ka phela jwang ha o ka fetola mekgwa ya hao moruti sintahle ke kopa le tlele mferekanya ke manta a ke batlo arabana le lona man a ke tsebe ke mekgwa efe o buang ka yona ha ke tsebe ke o reng ke mokgwa ofe go re kutla o tlompolella nonsense fela o seng ka pa o tlompotsa nonsense ke mekgwa efe ke etsang lona le nyatsa ke iketsa content ya Friday o bunyatsa o tlompotsa gore ke ha ke nana nka phela jwang ka mekgwa yaka ke iketsa content ya Friday ha ke sa rola di wiki ha ke sa kenya di weave ha ke sa kenya di makeup ha ke sa kenya eng I just only do show ya Friday sometimes ke nkela underwear just to make my show gore e be le fun only underwear belitong jacha ka gore mekgwa yaka lona le antena lona le ntena lena la ntena lona la ntena gore le understand la motho iketsa content le ntena ka pelo tsana ka ofela lona ba iketsa mbeteri mo ke mekgwa efe something ke change because make no mistake ke tlweletse di underwear ke tlweletse dinto I mean ke tlweletse di makeup ke tlweletse mesi ke tlweletse the only thing e ke etsang mohlang hono ke batlang fela ke nka an underwear be ke king and the reason why ke nka underwear ke king it is because ke batla show ya ka e be le fun show ya ka ya Friday I want to maintain taba ya fun ho yona so ke tsebe wena o tlompotsa mekgwa ya eng hore ke ife me go tshwantseng ke tlwele le ntena hampe bo Holy Jerusalem le ntena le ketsa better le kgone lo understand gore motho o iketsa content Friday ke iketsa content ha ke tsebe gore ke o fa mogwa o ke tshwantseng go tlwele o lona le ntena hampe ka re ba loiba guys ha re bueng he re tlweleng bo Loiza but when I understand motho creator Friday it's a lekker Vrydag and a lekker Vrydag ke iketsa fun we are having fun ka lekker Vrydag so guys now ke ithutileng yona ke hore the reason why Satan are frustrated sometimes because some of the things Satan ke ana di tshwarang ne Satan ke ana cause delay di planets tsa rona Satan ke ana a distractang di planets tsa rona Satan ke ana a etsang hore dintho tsana di sketsa etsala for instance remember when Daniel ana a itimme dijo ne Bible re Daniel ana itimme dijo a fasta for 21 days but what the answer you I expected on that modimo we thotse first day we like tola first day when aqala faster she got the answer that he got the answer modimo mo arabile first day Daniel o arabwe first day ha maqala ho fasta ne so when Daniel a fasted for 21 days modimo jam araba first day mar Bible e that answer it took 20 days before he fish out Daniel. Kore e bere Bible le nyolo ila li fifi le ne le tshwere karabo ya Daniel hore Daniel a ska ba thola answer ya hae. Now what I'm trying to say good nathi sinjalo there are things tsa runa tse re di batlang tse o tla thola hore Satan o e tshwere there is something you e batlang you are dreaming about something you are wishing you are or wish to have this thing but Satan abayitshwara because I've learned that ukuthi uSatan uyazulwisa izinto esizifunayo most of the time guys Satan wa di lwantsha dintho tseo re siphupha ngazo most ya dintho tseo re lo ranka tswana se re di wishang Satan o di lwantsha ka tsele hlotseng now here's the thing e ke ithutileng yona one our biggest mistake is when Satan alwantsha ntho o bui give up that is the most dangerous thing That is the most dangerous thing, guys. Yeah, when you plan kapa only a dreamer, kapa only motho ya try go etsa dintho, then most of people, they normally give up. Most of us, we give up very easy. Guys, ke kopa le mamelegeng ke batlo nkana go teleng. Wa bona maobane kerekeng ne ke ruta ka hore have your own scriptures in the Bible. Number 2, have your own role models in the Bible. Without the role model, we need to have our own role model. Nana gets example. My first role model is Abraham. I was making an example ka Abraham. Or Abraham, why a role model? It was a man of faith. Abraham was a man of faith. And I saw it. The only achievement that Abraham achieved was that is why I like Abraham with all my heart. Abraham is my motto. It's my role model. I will work at the role model. Bible. Ya bubedi mutele kibala kaya ki David. Why kirata David? Because I've learned something. There was nothing you David ailenga ifihlela easy anga kanga ilwele. Everything you David ailenga channel aifihlela. Una channel ailwele. Ebe fanele alwe David. Everything he fought for Chona. So I give you about him. Those are the people back Maratang in the Bible. Example, Emueke Maratang ki Job. Somebody yelling trust and even if things were tough for him. But I trust and until Munsaduai a backslide. Job did not give up, did not backslide because things were tough on his side. So but I don't want to dwell too much to those things. Why can I choose David? David was one of the people David was fighting for everything. And then I've learned something more. There is nothing easy one. Ayiko guys, nagi tutunte, bupilom back. There is nothing easy. And to an extent, there is nothing easy. Ibile every time, each and everything I know because another kilo I zuzanje. There is nothing a silver platinum. There is nothing. I can't one and I fumana. Isiza ibego pesco tray. Everything eki achieving, everything eki nandiona. I had to rekiluan or rekibelito. So one, that is why I thank God to render them demand to give up. Because most of us we always give up. And because Satanu aware about to buy give up and sing about to buy give up is about to buy tell winner mean to about to give up. Now Satan would distract the planets are not purposely. Satan who am the planets are not appeal or this gets who told her you have planned, you have vision, unalidi goal, but how was ever? Adiet a hali. It's so much difficult to diet hali. We are so cold and one, you need to have a spirit, a fighting spirit. That is number one. A fighting spirit. That is number one. As a child of God, as how limut have a fighting spirit. Number two, ituto shababu pilo baha huri wena umfuta ojwa uwela kai uwela kubantu abanjani because harele batu we are differ. Kukabantu izinto zabo zenzeka lula. There are people bawudi into tabana dietala easy nje. There are people bawudi into tabana nje. Everything yetala easy. Limu jolo mona there are people basa struggling. Ujola to ulahla mutu today utothe mutu today. Hona laba tubana ni like for everything but everything yabona yenzeka nje lula everything yetala. But when you need to know that wena umufuta ojongwa moto. Umufuta ojongwa moto. When we make an example, especially ka Bible, Reshaba Abraham, Reshaba David. We Harishaba give example kama ka when Reshaba Joseph, Reshaba Abraham. Harishaba Abraham and Joseph. Joseph are the two different people. When Oshaba Joseph was a dreamer. But Joseph had to fight because Banababa Murekisita ba mo lahlela mokoting ba etsa eng. Joseph had to go through dintho tse ngata before a ka fihlella toro ya hae. David was also a fighting person. Ona tshwanela hore a lwane hore a fihlelle dintho tsa. So you need to check your life for wena o mofuta o jwang wa motho. Dintho tsa di ka easy kapa ke dintho tse tshwantseng o di lwaneng. And if you are the person who's supposed to fight for everything, you need to be willing to fight. If ungumuntu ofanele ukulwa for you to achieve dinto tso di batlang, be ready to fight. Zimisele ukulwa. Be ready to fight. Ikemisetse ukulwana. I was saying that yesterday in my church. I'm fighting for everything. Everything. Because I know there is nothing that can easily, so not everything. So I'm fighting for everything. I'm fighting for success. I'm fighting for have money. Everything today. I had to fight. It was not an easy thing for me to keep It was not an easy thing. It was not an easy thing. I had to fight. It took me years to win this man and dropping, but it was not an easy thing. But I thank God because I did not give up. So here's the thing, guys. Take back only truth. Number one, that is number one. Number two, be willing to change the strategy. Never give up. But the only thing that we can do, rather change the strategy. Because, like I said, Satan is bamba ngabom. Satan utshwara di katlo tsa rona, utshwara di planets tsa rona, utshwara di successes tsa rona, utshwara everything. Yes, bamba nje. I tshware Satan, I tshware. But please, my advice this morning in this Monday motivation, don't give up for your dream. Don't give up for Ntoyulwan. But rather we change the strategy. That is number one. Change the strategy. We change the strategy. So, okay, but it doesn't work for me. I can't access. Change the strategy. The last example, there's a verse in Luke chapter 5, verse number 4. Luke chapter 5, verse number 4. I like that verse. Because when Jesus Fisher asked about the disciples, Murana Jesus bona the disciples bashatwa matua. Bashatwa the nete tabona ba give up. Now when Jesus Fisher or Petrus says Satan kwetse, Petrus or no. And Jesus Christ says Satan kwetse, let's hurry the cap. Petrus or no. We did it for the whole night. For the whole night. But we did not catch anything. Little before the whole night. But Murena just urubona. But it says Satan kwete. Now, but the thing is this, when by kena deeper, that's when back alamba radicap. Now, but in their mind, they are by give up. But when Jesus Africa no, still I give up Lantuna. But it's in telling strategy. Oh my God! Halum good guys now. Scale I give up it. Murana just came Africa one after scale I give up it and turn about it in challenge strategy. I've learned that or how limit change the strategy. That is number one. Change the strategy. Santo bata Number two, Solanka yena iusukudisa. Learn to we bele katuko ising we nami ising we tele. Ibele katuko. Then start yengwe solanga. So that yena hainse usukudisa. Bunyano ustate yengwe that can motivate you. Ay nkosiyam alunkutuman. I don't cook. And I don't want to preach, but I want to motivate. I don't want to preach, but I want to motivate. Preacher. Now, you know, this thing if into Ixobolisa, swing nama, skytail, but you're saying it's in strategy. Number two, how can I change a strategy? If in Usukudi is a stick, what's why it's Thank you so much, Matshepo. Our breakfast is on me. Ntate Modimo bless our. Ntate Modimo bless, and you always do that. You always give to me just to motivate the fella. Thank you so much, Matshepo. I'm humble. Thank you so much. You don't know motivate as well. Even if Kibukai, but just it's an appreciation, one appreciator, and I thank you for that. So, guys, now change the strategy. 2, when in those so good is even if we change the strategy, now it's a yena. Ala yengwe solang. So that if yena is failure, but at least who be lengwe e pasang, so that ena e pasang it's no motivator or uhono dilana liane faithing. I suka manani divang. I suka ni divang. I nadi ankuku. Ala engwe. Don't dwell too much to something frustrating and energy how. Even if you plan, even if you goal, even if you in, but don't allow that thing or heinz of struggles. It will drain out to an extent I'm like that. I'm that person who play along. Okay. I tried this one, it did not work for me. Okay, but I can't give up. I'm going to change the strategy for you. But actually, okay, for so long, this is so long. Let me start the other one so that this one will motivate. Ke survive village alone, Venzil and this November. Ke survive village alone. You know why? Because it's very important. Who believe in to yes, so with the point out, I managed to do that. I managed to do that. Even if I failed 1, 2, 3, but yet 1, 2, 3, achieve 1, 2, 3. You know why? Because when I didn't to the point down, so to achieve those things, it's a motivation to you. How now didn't to the point down? So the super I've managed to achieve this one and this one and this one. Believe me, that thing it will motivate you. I'm telling you, it will motivate you. So number 1 is in the so called give up. That is number 1. We give up. Where is your business? Hey, you make it let's be the business. Next the business. Ah. Musebetsi yo bile na sabatlane bile akabatlane bile ka re ka itulela nsafuni nix into zomsebenzi akabatlane motho gala batla tiro nsafuni nix relationships yo uska tlhola mplela ka banna wa ga ntlale le ngamadoda ke tsile mo banne ke ma clinics ke tsile ntontonto how wrong lenyalo right diphumile we always give up. And because Satano Bonuru, we always give up. That is why Satana says, Osabila atsiba your weakness or when I give up. That is why every time Satano is saying he is fighting everything you call your ways. I tried so many things now, guys. Defeating. But I thank God because I did not put I did not and demand of who's in those failure. I had to keep Lelo Rocket because here I am so good. Yeah, failure to get into strategy. And I thought into strategy, they keep Lelo Rocket for Solangan to get into strategy. Solangan is frustrated. Take it in Solanga because they will, it is not like the two failure of fame. As well failures on, I could quasi go back in a failure on how hona halor diga failure ka fair. How hona hal. Next. How hona hal. So guys, in closing, 1, let us not give up for anything. Scala give up, but learn to change strategies. In everything, change strategy. If you no play no yet a song, if you no play no yet a business, yeah, maybe no battle yet a business teta din to libitan, teta din to batwa rata hole, teta din if you know how you say business, change your strategy, do something, enyane, start hanyane. It's until that can motivate you. It's until that can motivate you, because Tina restika too much dintong tse failang. O dule too much into new usukudisa. And every time when usukudisa, it's like let me make an example. Obana bata yeka. Obana le party kakara. Obana bata yeka. Ne. If ke batla o jara bata ye, ndifuna ikyatha le party. If ndifuna ikyatha le party ne. Ke jara ndifuna ikyatha. But hana uphama. Let's say iyala ukuphakama. But ndifuna ikyatha, I'm trying iyala. Do you know the month I try ho jara bata yana. But it's a pan. Do you know that it drains bata yana? Number 2, it drains energy yaka. It drains because now I'm trying ho jara ukuyityatha le bati. And iyala lesen ndizamuki phakamisa iyala. So the more you try huyona is the more ihana, and is the more you losing energy, you losing. Then now the problem can, when you invest to something else failing, when you invest to something else sukudisam, it will train you to an extent you will never be able to start anywhere happy, because utaboso snamak I'll start anywhere. Yay! And in the vanga, alem good. Hi, alem good. When you try to invest lot of energy to something else as everything, I'm telling you, your energy, if utwanela hulokala you will never survive, because energy utabo we spendile man. It'll be drain waiting to yarn. That is why when I about to today, basa honung ukala, basa honung or mutare. No, I still want to get married. Kibata unyala, kapa kibata unyala. Most about kibo high next Sabbath and next and Safuni next, and about why Mutara Sabbath and next? It is because you invested your energy, you invested your time, you invested your emotions to somebody else, to something. You drain to an extent when you can't, because now you don't have any energy, you don't have you are no more what king Hausa Halla. You are no more interested, because your energy is to again toyan. Mujolong, the relationship, manyalong, in everything, we put more energy than to fail and ufihela uluza energy ufihela uluza everything. Then mushamu chanala ngukala trading hausa khona, because now you are drained, we empty hausa khona. So in short, guys, this morning my prayer is make sure that everything, it can be your dream, it can be your goal, it can be. Don't put your energy into usukudisa. It can be your relationship, it can be your marriage. Don't invest your energy to that thing. Because it's rebellion. I'm telling you, when energy will empty, that's when, if you have to start something new, how to honor, because energy it can be quick into him. So now I'm surviving. Now, as we speak, Tenalin Obana Kisukutsu Nyalam. Nake Sukutsu Nyala, since he divorced Kileka Nyala for the second time, but the Nyalo Laka Liakala Sebeta for only a year, la fell. But Aksoka ki give up for Linyal. Aksoka ki give up on this for Linyal. Now, Kichinchina strategy, you know. Obana Kanali Pampirian, Obana Pampirian. Kimoti Pampirian. I've never enjoyed relationship because of my expectations. Ne? Okay. I've never enjoyed a relationship because of my expectations. And then, Wabana Kibilaka, you told you that something. I'm going to show you something. Here. I put the total, come on, counter, come on, kitchen, come on, sitting room, everywhere. You know why? Because now I'm about to change the strategy. Because of the expectation, because of the goal, because of the responsibility. Ka bear bophelo baka on hold. Ka bear who enjoy bophelo baka ka bear on hold. I did not enjoy bophelo baka nna. Tlhola ke utlwa batho ba re ke sefebe. Batho ba tsebura a ke sefebe mara I cannot answer that because if nna ke bona la ka re ke sefebe then batho ba re ke sefebe I cannot blame them because ba mpone ka re ke sefebe. So I cannot blame myself on that. Now I'm not interested in Julian. Umsindo ufiwa kupa. Wabana, guys, labana batu ba bambaita. But what change the strategy, man? Thank you so much. But kiske kabala the comments, guys. I'm trying to close now. So now I have to. It is the first karaoke. Kilega bear bophelo baka on hold. Kamra divorce yaka ya linyalo la ka lapile. Le ka se dumele ke nna in my entire life dilemo tsena kaofela after my divorce. The only time nkileng ka ya bo Sun City le girlfriend yaka. Nkile ka tswa one le girlfriend. Raya Sun City ka bike ka khala re tswa Sun City I don't know how many times. Re tswa Durban ka bike le motho one. After that I saw I get at this. I saw I enjoy a life yaka. I saw I care anywhere. Because of the responsibility, because of the expectations it's like. Now you know what I took. When you know what I did, I took a decision of okay, this one, yeah, I'm so good no. Now I'm changing the strategy. Now the expectation, the responsibility sack. But now I'm focusing to myself. Focus about I want to enjoy my life. Now processing. Yeah, we enjoy bophelo baka to the fullest. I'm in a process, guys. Yeah, we enjoy bophelo baka because we decide to change our strategy. So, in closing, guys, let us not give up for the total baka on the achieve. Even if it's a dream or it's what, don't give up. But if you frustrate, change our strategy, look at strategy, saying, and then, or else, if this strategy is also changing, se fail still, se sa sebetse. Sky give up but e belle ka thoko hi swaye mntanam e swaye we belle ka thoko and then o qetile o qale engwe that maybe that one e we qala it will be successful then it will motivate you because each and everything Eban successful, you motivate. And that is why Satan adilwang sans. Satan does Luisa is in this funai. Because Satan funa sibe discourage, singane, ko retell. So the only way, try to do things that can motivate you, dinto teka pasang, and a young into yenzang, even if it can be a small thing, even if it can be in, but even if it can be in, but that's a small thing, it will motivate you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I love you, Kapilo Kakaofela. I love you and entertainment. Ali bless Kapilo Kakaofela. Never give up, but rather try to change the strategy and be willing to fight. If you are a fighting person, because abanya about Babambaluna Swapan, I know Abanya Nifana Nam Babambaluna, Bupilo Baluna. There is nothing easy from your Bunganemba Haufman of Suga Ebuntuanin Baku. Unso hola. There's nothing ilinyaka easy when everything we achieve we never channel we so put there actually conditioner kelolo ya haure na kile mama hochore I have to fight for everything and then be willing to fight is the condition thetha nengqondo yakho bua le kelelo ya hao prepare kelelo ya hao wena hore everything ya tshwantse ilwana and wabona mohlang ka prepare kelelo ya hao you are not going to give up easily but you are going to fight for everything because you know hore wena you have to fight for everything guys thank you so much ntate modimo Ali bless our whole change the strategy and then if listen strategy usintile since usukudisa come to the kanto ka qala engwe hape e tla o thusa nna ona jwale ke processing ya o qala engwe no ke processing ya o qala something that can motivate me ke batla enjoy bophelo baka and then ke be le the responsibilities ka thoko because I always prioritize the responsibility. I always prioritize the expectation, and sometimes the expectations they are sukudisa, they don't haditha mai the way ba tlanka teng, and they hold up bophelo ba rona di tshwara bophelo ba rona di goal tsa rona di toro tsa rona di etsa hore sometimes re time sizivimbe ukuphila ka kuhle re tima uphila hantle because of the expectation, because of the goal, because of in. So guys, thank you so much. Ndate Mudimu alihlonola fata re kopane ka 6 o'clock mantsibua lenyalo ntho dintho tsa manyalo le di relationships 6 o'clock guys le be di reminder 6 o'clock please guys band the reminder re kopane ka 6 o'clock tonight 6 o'clock re tlo banka manyalo le di relationship man mo ke tla be ke na le OC oh lovely. Can I pray for you guys? Can I pray garapela le lona ke mayaring yes yes phamisa le tsofela or yes pastor rapela le nna if you feel like you need a prayer maybe you need to give up maybe or some mechanics so langa tsele yes my number is 0732029079 okay Peter my number is 0732029079 Pulenga yes Muruti and then ye monkimang makadwe o mutlodi yes pastor KCR please pray kimang babangata comfort yes mpuse Takiswa I salute thank you Takiswa Monica Arias Dedi kimang hape Precious Arias de Doctor Sunshine Arias guys, let me pray for you. If unali lotion, kamo when kamo baking any lotion, kikupa with the software. If unali lotion, nka lotion like about Vaseline, like about Dawn, like about something. It's a software. Ne, how to kill obor. Ne obor ke batla ho lokolla batho bao bophelo ba bona bo tlamwe nka lotion nka whatever we itse di jointing tsa matso ao. I want to pray for you and then hona le motho ana itse wa kula mona ke kopa rapela le and then if una le motho ya kulang maybe o lorile oja you are not well o mosebetsing nka khapia metsi if una le letswai o tshele letswai if ona letswai doesn't matter if you are sick maybe mosebetsing kapa okay you are not okay somebody itse kopa ke mo rapelle mona so please ke kopa rapella nka lotion o tshase di joint tsa hao and then how qetile o tlo stretcha letso la phone but if o lorile o ja kapa you are not feeling well your mo body ya how anywhere skala le bala ka 6 o'clock re kopana mantsibu nka metsi wa tshele ka mo khapong ya hao ha o qetile tshele letswai even if ha ona lona just hold your water then ha o qetile nka monwana nka monwana wa hao o kinye ka ra metsi yana like this if unkile metsi nka monwana wa hao o kinye ka ra metsi like this ke kopa rapela o tshware metsi and then a o qetile ke kopa rapela ba bomba lona o tlo utla di joint tsa hao tsa matso o tlo utla ka re di ba weak ba bang o tlo utla ka re ho tswa di nalete matsong a lona nga tkuphumi nalete because ba bomba lona le tlangwe ba bang ba lo ibanka tšhelete tsa lona matsong a lona hona le dintho tse nkwang di ba bang batho banka di like tsa lona ka ramatso a lona so I want to pray and I want to pray for you and then ba bang le lorile leja tshwara cup ya o ya metsi o kinye monana ka ra metsi a o ke a rapela ke kopa o rapela modimo wa ka ya phelang moya o hallang ntate wa ka ya lokileng modimo ya teng morena Jesu modimo ya nang le matla ohle ka lebitso la Kriste modimo ka lebitso le phelang lebitso le nang le matla motate wa ka lokileng ke rapela batho ba nshebeletseng modimo ka tletse matla ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta modimo ka ke romela matla tshosang modimo ka lokileng bakeng sa batho ba tlotsi ba fasitswe matso ba fasitswe maoto babotshiwe ukuthi izinto zabo zingaphumeleli modimo ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta I pray ka lebitso la Jesu ke romela mollo umlilo mullo ka lebitso la Jesu now modimo ka ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta batho ba tlangweng batho ba lowe batho ba fasitswe ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu batho ba di tšhelete tsa bona di fasitswe batho ba di business tsa bona di fasitswe batho ba di promotion tsa bona di fasitswe batho ba mesebetsi ya bona e fasitswe modimo ka ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu ke a ba lokolla now modimo ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu ke tšhisa meriana ba loi ke tšhisa dintho tse yentsweng go bona mollo ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta ntate wa ka lokileng ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu ke gaola dintho tse ba fasitse matsohong ke di gaola ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta ke gaola dintho tse fasitse maphelo a bona ke di gaola ka lebitso la Jesu Kriste wa Nazareta di gaowa modimo ka di gaoile ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta papa re a rapela modimo ka lokile lokola setšhaba sa hao ke rapela di-promotion tsa bona ke rapela mesebetsi ya bona ke rapela di-business tsa bona ke rapela ditšhelete tsa bona ke rapela manyalo a bona ke rapela dintho tsohle tsa ba tshwereng ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta modimo ka lokile ke rapela metsi yana modimo ka lokile ba tshwere metsi kwa rapela ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta modimo wa ka ya lokile morena Jesu o fetotse metsi wine ka lebitso la Jesu tsatsing la ka shokolena ke rapela metsi ao batho ba tshwereng kwa fetola madi a morena Jesu bakeng sa batho ba jisitsweng bakeng sa batho ba kudiswang bakeng sa batho ba loweng ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta wena metsi le letswai ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu batho bana ba tlo hlatsa ba ntshe dijesu ba fole ba lokolohe ka lebitso la Jesu modimo ka metsi yana ke madi a morena Jesu ke mollo ba tlo hlatsa dijesu ba lokolohe ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta in Jesus name ke a leboha ntate wena motho ya nshebeletseng nka metsi ao e re ke nwa madi a morena Jesu e re ke nwa madi a morena Jesu e re ke nwa madi a morena Jesu anwe metsi ano ano e re ke nwa madi a morena Jesu e re ke nwa madi a morena Jesu ha o qetile if o na le motho ya kulang family ya hao somewhere hae bana ba hao everybody ya kulang molatele metsi nwa metsi tshela metsi ka kapong o bore metsi yana ke ya family yaka kapa ke ya mama o mo bitse ka lebitso ka speed if there is somebody ya kula family ya hao kapa somebody nje yo mo tsebang wa kula ga metsi ka kapa o qetile bore o bore wena mama ke no for wena o bore ke tlo nwella wena tshwara metsi ano kwa rapella modimo ka ke rapela family tsa bona ke rapela batho bana ba kulang ke rapela bana ba bona ke rapela banna ba bona kapa basadi ba bona kapa batswadi ba bona ke ba rapela ka lebitso la Jesu this time ke rapela for the family tsa bona mo di leng teng di fole di lokolohe ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta modimo ka lokile matla a hao a le hodimo a thewetse ka rabatho hona jwale ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta modimo ka ba bang ba tlo thola mesebetsi ba bang ba tlo thola di-promotion ba bang ba tlo thola ditšhelete tsa bona ba tlo thola dintho tsa bona ka lebitso la Jesu nwa metsi ao ha o qetile if o batla vomita o ntshe if o batla vomita. If una le ntho e dutseng mona, if there is something e dutseng mona, nka menwana ao e meraro, nka menwana e meraro, o e be mona. O e be mona. Ke tlo count of 3. Di tlo tswa dintho tsena. Nka menwana ao e meraro, o e be mona. O e be mona. Ke tlo count of 3. O zo hlanza. O tlo hlatsa. If ba o jesitse ba o kudisa, ba go kudisa ba o fasitse, ba fasa bophelo bao, o tlo hlatsa leleta, o tlo hlatsa sejeso, zizo phum. Ke count 1 di tlo tswa, 2 di a tswa, 3 vomita. Hlatsa. 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 Vomita. Nka menwana e 3. Nka menwana e 3 o e be mo. Ke a rapela. Modimo ka ba hlatsa. 1 ha ba hlatsa, 2 hlatsa, 3 hlatsa. 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 Modimo ka ba hlatsa batho bana ba lokolohe. Ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Ha ba hlatse ba lokolohe. Ke le rapeletse Maria mos. Ke tsele le tshele ka rametsi, ke tsele le tshele ka rametsi. Ke tsele le tshele ka rametsi, ke tsele le tshele ka rametsi. O ame ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Tlatsang guys lokoloha. Tlatsang. Re tlo kopana ka 6 o'clock mantsiba. Ke kopa just net I1. A njetse o etsa etseng just 1 person. O etsa etseng just one person. 1 person. And just wait, I think. 1 person. Wait, I think guys, I want to fell before summer. And then Modimo le bless our whole. Modimo le bless. Le tole me sebetsa lona le tole ditšhelete le tole promotion. Maria ke le rapeletse le tswa ile o le tsikela ka rametsi and then a qetilo leno ke rapeletse le ke rapetse guys we etseng ke kopa just I want we etseng ha o qeta ona metsi kapa o qeta o itshasa lotioning we etseng we etseng I want fela mplelle we etseng just one ke hopola TikTok le ke rapella batho TikTok. Thank you so much, Ntswaki. Maria, thank you so much to me. Comfort, thank you so much. Joint itaka di free now. Wow, ne ununa le botata di jointing. Once the joint it's out the tight, you must know that ba fasitse. Na ke utlwile dinale matsong aka. Ke tshilo jwalo wa opela ke tshila ka re ho tlo tswa dinale ti matsong a lona. Ka when u fasitse batho ba kgona ho fasa tšhelete tsa hao so that every time when o tshwara tšhelete e nnetswe matsong ao everything etswe matsong. That is why rena le batho ba sebetsang batho ba ne nqaki e mane. Some people they've got a serious problem ya tšhelete because ba kgona ke utlwile e ka ke ntswe nalete on my left leg the time you were praying wa bona e ka re ke ntswe nalete ka nako eo ke ne ke rapela nka tlhapa ka metsi a ga anaga ke theogela please o ka hlapa ka ona Maria hlapa ka ona o tswa ka hlapa ka ona very important o nke metsi a le tswai o a tshele ka rametsi a but my leg is fine now that feeling disappear wa utlwa motho a re utle ka rona le nalete lutu la hae but itswile now thank you I vomited in front of my learners at school thank you Askis. Oh, Maraskis. I like it. Sorry. I vomited in front of my learners at school. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I like it. Thank you so much, Stand of Sam. Thank you so much. Ke hlatsitse Dr. Novo ho tswile leleta Mogapi Pretoria, thanks le yena a rohlatsitse ho tswile leleta ho tswile leleta e mong kena Malerato a re ho tswile leleta le something brownish and ke so gin mix okay guys batho ba le jisa busi yo guys batho ba ya and you know leleta le kgona ho fasa bophelo ba motho number 2 leleta le kgona ho fasa dipono tsa motho most ya batho ba sa hloleng ba bona ba faswe ka leleta le kgona ho fasa bophelo ba motho. And then that is also when you feel like you can vomit, you need to make sure that you are vomit. You need to make sure that you are dinsa. Letso la ka ki leta letso leo ki kentseng monwana ka ne ke le letso leo ki kentseng monwana ke ne le jema o a re letso la a re letso le ne ki kentse monwana le ne le jema ke ntshitse leleta o a re letso lena le kentse ka ra cup le ne le jema ho tswile leleta pastor lengwele laka jo ne ke sa kgone ho ema nako e telele ke pene ha ke qeta ho nwa metsi pene e thotse ke a leboha wo pastor lengwele la ka ke ne ke sa kgone ho ema ke pain wa utlwa ke ne ke sa kgone ho ema nako e telele ke pain ha ke qeta ho nwa metsi e thotse ke a leboha. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much ntate modimo a le bless haholo ke nka matsoa lona fela le wa be phahleng ya lona nka le tsola ha o fela o le be phahleng ya ho ke release favor ya ntate modimo le ka etsa jwalo guys wa tswa matshepo o itse o tlonkisa o tlonketsa tšhelete breakfast fela Luana, if you want to appreciate Batla, thank you, doctor. You can do that. Number Taka Kitanasen 073 202 9079. 073 Pastor Naki Lorile Kishatswa Mana Mantle. Kishatswa Mana Mantle. Ish. Tiko Titoro Tedim. So number 073 dinal WhatsApp. If Bualina, you can do that. If you want to talk to me, you can also do that. In our WhatsApp 073 202 9079. Yeah? 073 202 9079. Yeah, Kiona 073 202 9079. Ki number yaka in our WhatsApp. Ke kopa release a blessing fela be ya le tswala mona modimo ka ke release a blessing ka le bitso la Jesu le favor e nngwe e hlotseng everywhere mo ba fihlang everywhere modimo ka lokile le di boss tsa bona ba be favored everywhere ba be favored jwale ka Joseph a bileng favored a fihla Egypt ba be favored jwale ka bo Daniel ba fihla Babylon modimaka I release favor hodima maphelo a bona ka lebitso la Jesu Christ of Nazareth in Jesus name amen. Thank you guys for kopane mantsibwa stay blessed ka 6 o'clock re kopane le also lovely re tlo bua ka menyalo le ka di relationship. I love you guys that modimo le bless haholo.